Many experienced drivers in their later years discover too late that small oversights in maintenance lead to sudden failures on the road, risking not just thousands in unexpected costs, but also personal safety during routine trips. In this discussion, I'll outline 10 proven approaches drawn from decades of observing what keeps vehicles dependable well beyond typical expectations. These are grounded in everyday realities to help preserve your investment and peace of mind. Stay through to the beginning, as the initial approach requires minimal effort yet prevents major expenses down the line. We'll proceed thoughtfully. Trick number 1. Engage e-brake when parking. Parking on an incline without properly securing the vehicle can place undue strain on internal components, leading to gradual wear that accumulates over time. From what I've observed in reliable vehicles that endure high mileage, consistent use of the emergency brake distributes the load more evenly, reducing the burden on transmission elements. This practice is especially relevant for those who frequently navigate varied terrains or urban areas with slopes. By applying the brake first before shifting into park, you help maintain the integrity of those mechanisms, potentially avoiding repairs that could run into significant figures. It's a simple adjustment that supports overall stability and longevity, particularly as vehicles age. Trick number 2. Scrub battery terminals regularly. Over time, buildup on connections can impede electrical flow, causing intermittent starting issues or straining other systems. In my experience with older models, addressing this early prevents escalation to more complex problems like alternator overload. A gentle cleaning with appropriate materials every few months ensures consistent performance, especially in humid or dusty environments common in certain regions. This not only safeguards reliability during cold starts, but also extends the life of related parts, helping control long-term ownership expenses without unnecessary replacements. Trick number 3. Question every urgent repair. When service providers suggest immediate interventions, it's wise to verify the necessity through independent assessments. Mature owners often benefit from this caution, as it aligns with a lifetime of discerning value. Requesting detailed evidence, such as visual inspections or measurements, fosters informed decisions and avoids premature expenditures. This approach builds confidence in maintenance choices, emphasizing prevention over reaction and preserving financial resources for essential needs. Trick number 4. Rinse the undercarriage. Exposure to road debris and seasonal elements can accelerate deterioration beneath the vehicle if not addressed periodically. Regular rinsing removes accumulations that trap moisture, supporting structural soundness over extended periods. For drivers in areas with harsh winters or frequent precipitation, this becomes a key habit to integrate, as it helps mitigate risks to vital lines and frames. The effort invested here contributes to safer handling and fewer surprises, aligning with priorities for dependable transport. Trick number 5. Do the engine mount death test. Subtle shifts in how the powertrain settles can indicate emerging issues that, if unchecked, affect alignment and ride quality. Performing a controlled check periodically allows for timely interventions, drawing from patterns seen in well-maintained fleets. This method involves safe, stationary evaluations to gauge movement, ensuring components remain secure without undue stress. It's particularly useful for those with higher mileage vehicles, promoting smooth operation and averting cascading effects on surrounding systems. Trick number 6. Upgrade to quality plugs. Selecting appropriate ignition components tailored to your model's specifications enhances combustion efficiency and reduces strain on the engine. Based on observations from various makes, opting for reputable options at recommended intervals prevents inefficiencies that build gradually. This is crucial for maintaining steady performance, especially in engines prone to accumulation, and supports fuel economy alongside durability. Prioritizing compatibility avoids complications, reinforcing trust in the vehicle's ongoing reliability. Trick number 7. Follow the quarter tank rule. Allowing fuel levels to drop consistently low can expose pumps to unnecessary heat, shortening their service life over time. Keeping reserves adequate provides a buffer, as noted in many long-lasting examples. This habit is straightforward yet effective for preventing disruptions, particularly during extended drives or in warmer climates. It also minimizes the intake of residues, contributing to a cleaner operation and fewer interventions, which aids in managing costs effectively. Trick number 8. Stop riding the clutch.
In manual transmissions, maintaining proper pedal discipline preserves friction surfaces from premature degradation. From practical insights, fully releasing when not in use allows for better heat dissipation and component rest. This is relevant for enthusiasts who value control, ensuring shifts remain precise without accelerating wear. Incorporating neutral positions at stops further supports this, enhancing overall drivetrain health and safety margins. Trick number 9. Catch weird sounds early. Unusual sounds often signal developing concerns that warrant prompt attention to prevent escalation. Documenting when they occur, under specific conditions, facilitates accurate diagnosis, as seen in vehicles that avoid major overhauls. This proactive stance resonates with seasoned drivers, emphasizing vigilance as a cornerstone of ownership. Addressing them swiftly safeguards against breakdowns, upholding the emphasis on secure and economical travel. Trick number 10. Dump the junk. Excessive cargo burdens suspension and braking systems, leading to accelerated fatigue in key areas. Assessing load limits based on manufacturer guidelines ensures balanced handling, informed by real-world applications. For those using vehicles for varied purposes, lightening unnecessary items preserves alignment in tire condition, reducing the likelihood of costly corrections. This mindful approach enhances control and extends service intervals. With these 10 approaches rooted in practical observation, you're equipped to foster greater durability in your vehicle. For further insights into discerning reliable service options, consider the upcoming content on identifying trustworthy maintenance providers. Explore that next to continue building your knowledge base.